Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Namaskaram. Kamaghani. Any of you may not be knowing, I think the mic is not working. I'm quite loud otherwise. Am I heard at the back? Good. I many times think that why did we have a mic? The God has given a good throat to you. Yeah, energetic. And my good friend introduced me as energetic. A 76th year running energetic. Now, from where do I get the energy? Have you seen a movie called Koi Mil Gaya? How many of you have seen the movie Koi Mil Gaya? Yeah, raise your hands. I'd like to see how friendly you are to the motion pictures. Good. Good number. In that movie, an alien came from the space. And that alien was getting power from sunlight. With the sunlight only the alien could work. I'm also an alien coming from Udaipur. And I get my power from you. When you look at me and when I look into your eyes, I get that power. And this alien is now before you. I have been introduced. I would say that it's a great past district governor line, Dr. Prahlad. In the morning I was telling the other district lines, that is 320B lines, that I have a great friend, Subhash Ghai. Have you heard the name Subhash Ghai? Yeah. I'll tell him that many people follow him. He's a good friend. So once I was sitting with him and I asked him, Subhash, tell me why your movie Saudagar failed. He said, Ladia, I made a mistake. I said, what's that mistake? He said, the mistake was that I made an excellent trailer. And the trailer was so good that when the people went to see the movie, their expectations were much more than trailer. And unfortunately, the movie could not deliver more than the trailer. I find a similar position of mine today. My trailer has been given to you by past district governor Lion Prahlad. I don't know whether my movie will be successful now onward or not. But anyway, thank you very much, past district governor Prahlad, for beautifully introducing me. I think the power has come because it's green here. Why then it is not? It's green here. One phase. Oh, it's a three-phase connection. These phases are also, sometimes cheating us. Yeah. The biggest problem in the world, the biggest problem in this world is that the phases are only cheating us. Anyway, well, friends, when I come to lines, as a line, I believe that the introduction should be only of one line. That one line is, your friend, आपका दोस्त, आपका मित्र, आपका मितवा, named Vinod Kumar Ladia from Udaipur. That's it. More than that is not required. Whatever is said about me, whatever positions I held over the period, they were all connected with either my business or my giving back to the country. But when I am with the Lions, I feel that we all are Lions only. In Lionism, No one is senior or junior. Once a line is a line. I like to tell you, and Sunil will agree with me, that in international, we don't call anyone Sahab. We don't call anyone boss. We don't call anyone madam. We don't call anyone sir. We all call each other by first name. May he be the international president. We call him Douglas, or we call him Alexander. May it be Patty Hill. Any names I can tell you. It is unfortunate. I'm very afraid of secretaries. My biggest problem in Delhi are the secretaries. When I go to PMO or when I go to the text committee, it is only the secretaries who bother me. These bureaucrats, IS officers, with all due regards to them, they bother me the max. And when I saw the secretary, thoda dar lagta hai secretary se. Anyway, I just was telling you, it is very unfortunate that we were ruled for 200 years by Britishers. That practice, I won't call it a legacy, that practice of calling each other Sahab, Mem Sahab, and all those kinds of adjectives, we are still carrying. My request to all of you, let's call each other by first name. You will feel much closer when you call someone. If you call me Vinod or if you call me VK, as I call Sunil, we feel very close to each other. As soon as you say Sahab or you say Sir, we get little drifted. I like to tell you, up to 30th of June this year, I was called by everyone Line Ladia. As on 1st July, people started calling me boss. I could not understand how could overnight I became the boss. It is basically because I was elected as international director, so people thought I had become a boss. No, sir. I'm not a boss. I'm here to give the service. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I know my height sometimes troubles. Yes. कोई गाना ना अमिताभ बच्चन का जिसका we will that kind of my height troubles me sometimes. Yeah. So I was just telling you that let's understand each other more by coming closer to each other. That's what is my appeal to you. Now come to the program. Yeah. See, when I speak to the audience, we develop an electronic current between you and me. An electronic current, engineers who are here sitting would understand it, that if in the electronic current anything comes in, it gets cut off. Same is with me here. So kindly be seated. I request. फोटोग्राफर साहब, आप भी 2 फोटो ले लो, मेरी काफी है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. I don't know how many photographs one can keep. I do have many photographs and I need to delete them, otherwise my phone will not work. That's the position. People ask me, Ladia ji selfie. People ask me, Ladia ji aapke saath photo. Take it, sir. No problem. But will you keep it or you delete it? So that's the way. Thank you very much, photographer sahab. So presiding officer, District Governor Line Gopala Rao. I'm not able to pronounce properly. Is that Aula? Is that Aula? Okay. Aula. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Sometimes the pronunciations, they give you wrong impressions. Well, District Governor, line Gopala Rao, with a charming lady, line Padmaya. And Padmaya. Padma. Yeah. Padma. Very difficult. Padma Ja. Okay. I'm sorry, madam. I beg pardon. I'm sorry. Really sorry. Yeah. I think Bhabi would be better, or even Beta would be perhaps better, because you're much younger. My daughter-in-law is perhaps of your age. I have here a personality, the installation officer and the guest of honor, the third international vice president in Dorsey, past international director, Lions Sunil Kumar. Sunil and me are Guru Bhai. Sir, this mobile is an asset for you, because you can speak to anyone at any time. But it becomes a liability to me when it trinkles. So may I request all of you to put off your mobile. Anyway, again that electronic current is getting disturbed. Anyway, yeah, so I was talking about Sunil. Sunil and me are Guru Bhai. He and me both follow a guru, past international director Premchand Bafna. If any of you past district governors perhaps would be knowing him, we both follow him. So we are Guru Bhai. And for Sunil, I like to say something about you. तुझ में रब दिखता है, तुझ में रब दिखता है, आदर से सिर झुकता है, ओ यारा मैं की करा. That kind of respect I have for you. I like to tell you, I know many past district governors and the ruling district governors who are students of Sunil. And they are really obliged, very happy with the training Sunil has been giving over the years. I can rate him the best faculty today we have in India. Best faculty. I can rate you, sir. We have with us multiple council chairmen, Dr. G. Srinivas Reddy, immediate past district governor, Krishna Murthy. I don't like to call the first vice district governor. By calling them first or second, we lower them. Their status is lowered. How can we call someone second? How can we call someone vice? To my mind, the right kind of designation for them should be the district governor for 22-23 and district governor for 23-24. And I'm happy, Sunil, that you agreed with me today. So we have the district governor 21-22, Venkat Narayan Reddy. I'll have the opportunity to work with him for 1 year from 22 to 23. And I look forward to you, sir. We'll be working together. Yes. You will be part of my team. Then we have the governor 22-23, that is Harish Reddy. The chief advisor, past district governor Linga Reddy. The cabinet installation chair, past district governor Manohar Raju. Then we have with us the galaxy of past district governors, past multiple council chairpersons, and also many dignitaries sitting on the dais. All the cabinet members, fellow lions, my dear Leos, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, as an area leader of LCIF, I would like to congratulate and thank Lion M.S. Subbarao for contributing rupees 5 lakhs to LCIF. May I request you all to kindly join your hands. Yeah. दो चीज से कभी नहीं डरना क्योंकि उस पर टैक्स नहीं है. वन इज दी क्लैपिंग, ताली बजाना, और दूसरा मुस्कुराना. मुस्कुराने पे भी कोई टैक्स. So these two things you please follow in your life. So thank you very much, Subbarao, for your contribution. I'm highly impressed with the program starting with national flag arriving. This shows your commitment to the country. We follow nation first. We say in our flag salutation that we are committed to our country, we are committed to our flag. Why do we do it? Have you ever thought of it? I'll tell you an example. In 1999, I was in Germany signing an agreement with a German company for one of my plants, a technical collaboration. So while signing that agreement, the German president of that company asked, Claudia, do you have your country flag with you? I said, no, sorry, I don't carry my country flag with me. He said, do you mind if we keep our country flag on the table where we'll sign the agreement? I said, of course you can keep it. But tell me why? What's the reason? Now the answer came, you kindly hear it. This flag gives us a warning. This flag displayed gives us a warning. Don't do anything wrong which can harm your country. That is the reason the flag is displayed. We should not talk here anything. We should not transact anything here which can harm our country. It's a respect which we give to the national flag. I've seen in many countries how they respect their national flag. And let me tell you, Lions, this flag belongs to you and me. This flag belongs to every Indian. It's not meant only for the political leaders or for the military or for the bureaucrat. It's our. And I'll advise you, kindly have a national flag on your working table, either in your office or in your residence. It will keep you warning that please do not do anything wrong which can harm your country. So that's the message I would like to give you. Second, I really like that the program started with the national anthem. At many places, we have national anthem at the end of the program. That's totally wrong. We have to start the program by saying that Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jai Ho. Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jai Ho. Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Mera Bhagya, Mera Vidhata is Bharat. And very rightly started with the national anthem. So I congratulate the district governor and the team that you started with an excellent example. Congratulations to the cabinet team installed. I like to tell you, we had an past international president, Eberhard. He was from Germany. Eberhard said, he defined leadership. And Eberhard said, leadership is not a position. Leadership is not a position, it is a responsibility. Leadership is not a position, it is a responsibility to make a team and give powers, delegate the authority to the team, and then make plans, then take opinions, then take action, then deliver the desired result. Mind you, the word is desired result. Those results which we are planning or which we have said that we will achieve it. We are not going to ask for कि हम आसमान को छू लेंगे. We'll say that whatever I have planned, I have achieved. That is what is a remarkable leader. And I must say, sir, please. I must say, we have a remarkable leader here, our District Governor Gopala Rao. Please give him a good clapping. Look at the leader. Look at the leader. He has already given 25 MJF. Look at the leader. He has already given 7 clubs, out of which 5 are charter, 2 are under the chartering. Look at the leader. Large number of service projects are in pipeline. Look at the leader. He is planning to upgrade the hospital service. And like that, I can count a large number of, I would say, specialties which this leader possesses. And that's why I call him a remarkable leader, a true leader. I was looking into Sunil today, the definition of leadership. And surprisingly, I like to read the definition of leadership as defined by Harvard Business School, from where I did pass out a leadership development program. The Harvard Business School says, defines leadership as the skill of motivating, guiding, and empowering a team towards a socially responsible vision. I think this does a pretty good job of defining it, although my personal definition differs slightly. How do I look at the leader? I see leadership as the art of empowering, art of empowering and mobilizing others to want to accomplish a mutually agreed, mind you the word mutually agreed upon goal while advancing the group's integrity and morale. That's the right kind of definition for a leader. And I can tell you that you are lucky to have a leader here in your district governor, Gopala Rao. Friends, how many of you have read a book called Turning Point? The Turning Point book was written by our past India's President, Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dr. Abdul Kalam writes in that book that in the life of every individual, there is a turning point. In his life, the turning point was when he was teaching in Chennai in one of the universities. A call came to him when he was teaching there in the university from Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the then Prime Minister of India. And Atalji wanted Abdul Kalam to take the responsibility of President of India, a scientist to take the responsibility of India. Abdul Kalam writes that he did number of things in life, but the turning point of his life was when he was given the opportunity to serve the country as the President of India. Like this, every one of us have one turning point in life which changes your complete outlook. It changes your complete personality. And I can tell you, Governor, this is going to be your turning point. You will remember lifelong. I remember today after 30 years, my turning point was in 1990 when I was elected as the governor. So similar to you also, there is going to be a turning point. Can you sit down? Friends, we have celebrated centennial year. We have completed 104 years. Are we satisfied? Are we satisfied, yes or no? Someone said no, I agree. Yes, I agree. We are now in the 21st century. 100 years? Yes. We were there. We served large number of people, millions of people. But now the times are changing. I say that these are exciting times. These are exciting times, times of challenges and times of opportunities. Let us seize it, grab it, and then see whether you can perform or not. Must be something important for him. I fully appreciate, sir. So the point is, what is required now today? I was addressing second year students at IIM Ahmedabad, and I talked to them that when you are going to the corporate world, what is expected from you? And I gave them a concept called CNG. CNG. CNG is a gas. CNG gives you power for the vehicles. CNG gives you power to drive many things because of that power it has. Similarly, in management, we have CNG. The C stands for connect. The C stands for connect. N stands for nurture. And G stands for grow. Now, with whom should we connect? First of all, we need to connect ourselves with our country, as I said earlier. First connection is to your country. Second connection should be with your samaj, the society. The third connection should be with your family. Fourth connection should be with your friends. And the fifth connection is with your friends, members in Lionism. If you really connect yourself, I can assure you that we'll have wonderful time in this running century. Now, how to nurture it? The very first in the nation, have a commitment to the country. And the definition of commitment, in my eyes, it says, do all those things which are required to be done to see that your responsibility is discharged, even if it is inconvenient to you. Mind you the words. Even if it is inconvenient to you. So that's the kind of connection you need to have with the nation. With the society, we nurture by giving our services. We need to understand what kind of services we now need to give it to the society. We look into the need-based, locational services which are required. Times have changed. People don't think now that आपने कुछ सामान बांट दिया, हॉस्पिटल में जाके फल दे दिया, इत्यादि इत्यादि. No. Something more than that is required. Joy said, our immediate past international president, diversity. What is that diversity? The diversity is that a change in our think tank. This think tank needs a change. And that's what we need to do for this society. We need to connect our family. I can tell you, India is slowly drifting where the families are disintegrating. हमारी सभ्यता भारत की क्या कहती है? क्या कहता है हमारा रामायण? The values of family. And if we maintain that value of family, we'll be really connected. What we need to be connected with our friends, our children, our Leos. We have miserably failed in the movement of Leos. If we had properly followed the Leos, today there was no problem of the membership. We did not follow it. We did not see that our children are given that kind of training or that kind of encouragement. We had been always finding faults with them. So that's the way I like to tell you that it's a time that we should understand the needs. The things are changing. I like to tell you what our International President Douglas says. He says, "Sir, give service from the heart." What does it mean? Service from the heart. Why? Where is the God? भगवान कहाँ हैं? प्रभु कहाँ हैं? प्रभु आपके हृदय में है. And I like to tell you, you do good one service, even crossing a old man across the road, and go and see yourself in a mirror. You will find there is a light on your face. What is that light? That light is nothing but the God. प्रभु आ गए आपके चेहरे पे, एक आनंद आपको मिल गया है, और उस आनंद से आपके चेहरे पे जो है चमक आ गई है. प्रभु का मिलना, चमक आना है. And there is a famous saying कि नंद के घर आनंद भयो, कि नंद के घर आनंद भयो. क्या हुआ? जय कन्हैया लाल, प्रभु आ गए. तो लाइन दोस्तों, दिल से सेवा कीजिए, दिल से फेलोशिप कीजिए. ये जो ऊपर ऊपर की फेलोशिप है ना, this is not going to make friends. I can tell you that I have visited 67 countries in the world, and I can say today, गर्व से कह सकता हूं मैं आपसे कि मेरे इन देशों में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त, बहुत अच्छे मित्र, and I am very proud of it. Similarly, the President says that please do it from the heart. President says that communicate also from the heart. ऊपर का दिखावा नहीं. आपने लिख दिया dear sir, greetings, and then you have written something below which is hitting him below the belt. It has no meaning. We must communicate also. दिल से जो है communicate करेंगे तो कोई problem. Lastly, I like to tell you, we international directors, when we go as a candidate, we are required to attend many forum, breakfasts, lunches before the election takes place. And this year, since there was no physical convention, Tulin ji would agree with me that we are required to go and give answers to the questions which are put to you by world over line. This year, I was interviewed by some of the countries. One of that was Canada. The Canadian Lions asked, Claudia, tell us, what are you going to do as an international director? Why should you become the international? And the answer I gave, I like to repeat it here and tell you. My duty shall be, number one, I will like to strengthen the systems followed in the clubs, in the district, and in the multiple. I would like that there should be an audit of the system. Our constitution provides that our accounts are to be audited. In 60 days, the audited accounts are to be presented with the district or with the club or with the multiple. But we don't talk about the audit of the system. Are we holding the club meetings? Are we having the board of directors meetings? Are we really doing those services which are reported on my line? So I propose a system audit to come into Lionism. Many things will improve if that kind of my suggestion is accepted. The second, technology. We need to strengthen the technology. Today we all are quite used to Zoom. 15 महीने पहले हमें किसी को पता नहीं था Zoom क्या है, virtual meeting क्या है. But today all of us know that virtually we can do the business. So now there is a need that the Lions Club should have its own platform, its own, I would say, app, where we can go and join the other Lions all over the world. That kind of technology development is required at the international level. I will work for it. And secondly, with the technology, we need to have electronic election. Electronic elections, today we are engaging some of the private agents. Some of them are good, but some of them are not good. We have one past district governor sitting here, and I had an excellent experience with him when we followed his program. But simultaneously, we did have problems with the other program. So why not to have at the international level some standard program which should be accepted all over the world? That's the technology, my second point. And the third point, which I like to insist on, is the marketing. In marketing, what do we need to market? We need the brand. We need to emphasize our brand. Friends, I would request you, stop cursing Lionism. Many people have a habit of cursing the Lionism. Many people have the habit of cursing each other in the Lionism. Just now, our governor 324 did say, and I know what you were meaning to it, and we should stop it. Then only perhaps we'll be able to achieve what we want to do it. Well, friends, this is what I wanted to say, but before I close, I'd like to tell you something. Again, my IIM experience, that how do we had the convocation of 2021 at IIM on 15th of May. And there, when I was addressing these students, I did say some lines which I like to repeat here, and it's a complete Lionism in that. Kindly listen to it. It says that may you be fair. May you be fair and just in your dealings, and may you prosper. May you prosper. And as you do so, may you extend yourself to promote the good of humanity. The good of humanity. So friends, I request all of you to kindly mind these lines. These are the lines we are really getting ourselves now for the good of humanity. And that's what I like to appeal of you. Nowadays, मैं 1990 में गवर्नर था, उस समय कोई शायरी नहीं होती थी. आजकल कहते हैं कि कोई भाषण कंप्लीट नहीं होता जब तक कोई शायरी ना हो जाए. तो मैं कई दफ़ा कहता हूँ कि मैं शायर तो ना था कि लाइनिज्म ने मुझे भी शायर बना दी. कुछ ना कुछ मैं भी 4 लाइनें बोलने लग गया हूँ. That's one of the, I would say, that training to me from the Lionism. So few lines for you, sir. एहसान दोस्ती के, एहसान दोस्ती के जताने नहीं होते. मत कहिए कभी कि मैंने तेरे को ये किया, तेरे को मैंने डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर बना दिया, तुमको मैंने काउंसिल चेयरमैन बना दिया इत्यादि. एहसान दोस्ती के कभी जताने नहीं होते, कर्ज दोस्ती में चुकाने नहीं होते. लोन्स टेकन दोस्ती में, काहे कि दोस्ती का कर्ज चुकाना नहीं पड़ता है. बस सलामत रहे ये दोस्ती हमारी. पीके लाडिया एंड यू ऑल, बस सलामत रहे ये दोस्ती हमारी. ये वो रिश्ते हैं जो कभी पुराने नहीं. कीप ऑन रिमेम्बरिंग मी. आई विल बी अवेलेबल टू यू 24/7. My mail address is very simple, vinodiim68@gmail.com. Any one of you can get in touch with me. Kindly do suggest me, what do you want? What do you want me to work as a director? I'm available to you. Keep remembering me. I shall again be with you as and when an opportunity comes.